Stop treating ATM option like a coin flip because this is the most dangerous zone in the entire option chain. When the strike meet the market, you're not just buying the price, you are stepping into maximum volatility where every move becomes amplified. So once you look at the Greek, gamma is at its peak here, and that means even a small move in the market can make your delta explode, either putting you in profit fast or turning against you just as quickly. And that's why smart traders do not sit still here. The real secret is hedging and the constant adjustment, because if you're not actively managing your ATM position, you're not really trading, you're just gambling. So do not get trapped by the theta decay. Follow smart money, trade with strategy, and subscribe to Learn Trading to stay one step ahead.